Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. This particular boat is powered by the new Mercury 225 Verados. You'll see the quick access for the oil check and fill, and to easily pull the cowling off. As we come in, this boat does have a very large rear bench seat with storage underneath. This boat has a live well and a sink, and also comes with a Yeti cooler. As we move here to the port side, you'll see the popular swim patio. Great for families to sit, swim, easy access on and off the boat, and there is a stainless ladder that attaches to that. So that gives you a ladder here and a ladder on the transom. As we come here to the helm station, you'll see these dual seats with flip-up bolsters. Again, digital throttle and shift with the Mercury digital gauge. Also has the Fusion stereo system with Bluetooth and the active trim system as well. As we come forward, you will see a very spacious head area inside the console. And notice this hard top with the gel coat color underneath. This is Glacier Green. And everything integrated into the console. As you come into the bow, you'll see forward seating with flip-up backrest, stainless steel grab rail to hold on to. This large seat forward of the helm station, flip-up armrest, and a huge garage area storage with 2 buckets and lockable rod storage. Coming up in the bow, this does have the through-hull anchor windlass system. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.